Hi beauties, so I am doing a quick tutorial today, makeup tutorial today. Makeup, but yes, like, comment, and subscribe so that way you can see more makeup tutorials. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with a concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, which is color medium. I'm using a big eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm using Maybelline. It's really old. I think I've had it since I was like in high school, but I love purple, and I'm using the dark purple. Alright, I freaked out right there because por pendeja I forgot to put the little tape to do the cut, well, on the side. Anyway, just pack on the dark purple.
These are some boss bitch shoes. If you ain't no boss bitch, move. Hey, for the record, I said record sales. I like niggas that been in and out of jail.
So I'm using the MACARA E330, and it's a big blender brush, and it's just to blend the harsh line that I have on with the purple eyeshadow. It's just so that we could just blend in. It's clean, it doesn't have no eyeshadow on it. And just keep blending it in until you see that line fading out. Now excuse my baby hairs that are flying everywhere. Try to tame them with the hairspray, but that's not working out.
I do. What I like, I do. Look, bro codes do what they can't. Good girls do what they told. Bad bitches do what they want. That's what bitches so cold.
Alright, so now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette. It's been a while since I used it, and I'm going in with a pink. I would say I'm like fuchsia pink, I guess. Going in with a cut crease eyeshadow brush. I think I got that one from Mary Kay long time ago. So I'm gonna pack in the fuchsia pink color eyeshadow on top of the purple, and just keep packing it in.
Down in the rest in the raw jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder
I started packing in more purple eyeshadow because I thought it was fading a little bit. But just keep packing in the purple, keep packing in the pink color if you think that it's fading out.
I do. What I like, I do.
Now I'm going back in with the MACARA E330 blending brush just to blend in the pink and the purple, so that way they can mesh in together, or blend in together if I should say. But just keep doing it. Alright, so I'm gonna bust out with the MACARA Quick Change Brush Cleaner, and it's just like a little sponge, and then you just put your swift your brush in there, and then it will take off some of the eyeshadow, so I won't mess up the rest of the eyeshadow, or a new eyeshadow that you're gonna use. But it cleans it really quick. Alright, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush, and I'm using it to start the crease, and I'm using the concealer that I used earlier, and you just put some on your hand and then scoop good enough of concealer so that way you can put it on your eyelid. And the way that I do it is I put that concealer in the middle, look up, and then it will just mark it where you should start doing your crease, and you'll see it right now.
Like it. Said the Cardi is his favorite fragrance. I'm a rich bitch and I smell like it. I'm in a boss bitch move. Hey, these heels are Da Vinci. These are some boss bitch.
Sometimes I have to like do it several times because I feel like I'm not doing it right, but every time I do that, when I look up, it stays the same time, like the same area. So.
I'll be finished, hard to tell. I can tell. My little 15 minutes lasting long as hell.
I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in the rest in the raw jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like.
So I'm going in with the SUBCULTURE ANASTASIA Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going in with the cube. I thought it would be a little bit more white but that's when I found out it's a little bit more like pearl color, but I still loved it. And I'm going back in with the big Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm just putting it all over.
I'm a ladies when I ladies host to rest. The group is ruthless, but I get top in it. I'm provocative, it's my prerogative. 80K just to know what time is it.
I'm going back in with a little bit of more purple. So just keep going in with purple if you see that it's fading away, but just be careful with the cut crease line. You don't want to mess that up.
To my ladies, don't you give these niggas none. Give them none. If they can make you richer, they can make you come.
I left a nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and LOREAL jacket.
I am using the Maybelline Masterpiece ink, and it's gold. And it's supposed to be like metallic gold, but I'm actually just using it as just like a glue for the other eyeshadow that I'm gonna put on, because you really can't see anything at all if you can tell. So I'm just putting it where the cut crease is at, and then I'm gonna go in with the gold eyeshadow from the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you'll see it in a minute. And I'm using the lip liner brush. So, oh, it's not the gold, it's the bronze eyeshadow.
I left a nigga on red cause I felt like it.
If you could see up close the gold eyeshadow.
I look fine and my checks define. No wonder.
Now I'm going in with the NYX matte black eyeliner, and I'm gonna go on with the other side too.
I do. What I like, I do. What I like, I do.
Now I got both of them done. Well, kind of. Now I'm gonna go back in with the gold and the gold eyeshadow. It's gonna be above the black eyeliner, not on top like the one that I kind of wanted it to be. But since I know it's not gonna be showing that much, so let's just stick to the on top.
Bitch, and I smell like I'm in a boss bitch mood. Hey, these heels are Da Vinci, hold these are some boss bitch shoes. If you ain't no boss bitch move. Hey, for the record, I said record sales. I like niggas that been in and out of jail. They say by now that I'll be finished, hard to tell. I can tell. My little 15 minutes lasting long as hell.
I left a nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash.
So just touching up again the purple.
No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do.
Alright, so now I'm gonna start doing my whole face. Doing some concealer like always, and then right here is when I just find out that I forgot to put on foundation, since I am starting to put on foundation. But I'll put that in the description box, what kind of foundation, and I just started using foundation, so you guys know. And it's the MAC MATCHMASTER, and I think it's the 5.5 or 5.0. Kind of makes me look a little bit orange in the beginning, but I'm starting to wear foundation, but when for special occasions. I don't like using foundation at work or any other day.
Play mode, so none of those calls come through. Here's a word to my ladies, don't you give these niggas none. Give them none. If they can make you richer, they can make you come.
I left a nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and LOREAL jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do.
And then I'm going back in with the concealer, how it's supposed to go. And I am using the same concealer that I used earlier, the Maybelline Fit Me, and it's the medium color. That's my old-time concealer. I might be switch up a little bit, trying to use something different, but we'll see. So blending that in, and I'm going in with the MILANI, the setting powder, and it's like a color banana, orangish. And I love that powder, the setting powder, since I probably have like a couple of months using it, since I can't find any more the cookie setting powder. So I went on this one and I love it. It's nice and smooth, not too white, the right color. And for the rest of my face, I use Neutrogena Honey Beige powder, and I'm using the Ultimate, it's supposed to be the blending brush, but I just use it just to put in the powder all over the rest of my face. Now I'm using the Anastasia, oh my gosh, what color is that? Bronzer, the Rosewood, sorry for the being out of focus, but I love it. It is very, very dark. So very, I think I put too much on that, but I'm trying to work with it.
These are some boss bitch shoes. You ain't no boss bitch move. Hey, for the record, I said record sales.
Put some on your forehead, cheekbones, and not to forget under your chin. Baking, it's my first time baking it underneath my cheekbones, but at the end I actually loved it. Like, it kind of cut it how it's supposed to be. So that was my first time baking underneath of the bronzer. See how it is now? Nice and cut clean. Oh my god, I sound like a guy when they cut their hair.
Good girls do what they told. Bad bitches do
So I'm going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. They're my favorites.
When our ladies host to rest, the group is ruthless, but I get top in it. I'm provocative, it's my prerogative. 80K just to know what time is it. Cardi rocking it, go right stocking it. Spend what I want, ain't no limit. I say what I want, I ain't never been timid. Only real shit comes out my mouth, and only real niggas go win it.
So these are the eyelashes. For the first time, I'm gonna put them on. They're Battington lashes. Oh, hey, they're falling apart already. How nice.
If they can make you richer, they can make you come.
Left a nigga on red.
Yes, I'm always cheesy. So now I'm gonna put in some highlight from the eye duct with the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, highlight palette. And I'm going in with the Luna.
What I like I do, I do. What I like I do, I do. What I like I do, I do.
So now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm going to use one of the highlights whenever I choose it. Going in with the Moonstone.
I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that red Saint Laurent jacket. Dapper, I look fine, and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do.
Alright, so I'm gonna put some of the highlight to my eyebrow bone.
I do. What I like, I do. What I like, I do,
Hey, I think us bad bitches, it's a gift.
Alright, so under my eye, I'm putting some purple eyeshadow. Now, what to put on my lips? Let's go with the Rich Chocolate Lip Liner and the Wet n Wild lipstick. I think it's Give Me Mocha? Yes, Give Me Mocha. That's my favorite color. So I'm gonna start lining my lips and then put on some lipstick.
In and not a jail. They say by now that I'll be finished. Hard to tell. I can tell. My little 15 minutes lasting long as hell.
I left that nigga on red.
Almost done. But yes, I am always lip singing a damn song.
No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do. do.
Look, broke hoes do what they can't. Good girls do what they